How to see everyone you unfriended on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see every friends or everyone that you have unfriended on Facebook. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me get you through it. Now open up the app, now log into your ID and you'll get entries like this. Now what you want to do is then tap on the three-line icon on the top right corner of your screen that you can find just below the messenger icon. And here what you want to do is head into settings. Now you can see settings icon just below the three-line icon, and here what you want to do is scroll down all the way below until you get into activity log and tap on activity log. Now here you'll get all your activities. You can head into your post activities, your tagged in activities, interactions. What we want to do is head into our connections. Now you can see view connections option, tap on it and open it. Now here you'll get your every following, followers, and every categories of activities that you have done. Now what we want to do is filter it, tap on filters and head into categories, and what we want to do is tap on the remove friends, and here you can see all your removed friends here. Now you can see all my removed friends here. So this way you can see everyone you have unfriended on Facebook. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.